Hi, welcome to my channel .NET Gan India. Today I am going to explain about how to install Private GPT in your PC and train the Private GPT AI models with your private documents. Alright, let's start with the system requirements needed to install Private Chat GPT. So first we need to install Visual Studio Code in your PC. Then latest Git, and then latest Python to be installed, and then Visual Studio 2022, and then main GW installer with GCC component we need to have in our PC. So let's start the implementation. So this is the Private GPT GitHub repository. I will provide you this link in description box for your reference. Then in this page you will get all the information about what are the system requirements needed to run this code, and for Windows 10, 11, and for Mac all the details is given. So first Visual Studio, you need to install the Visual Studio 2022, and then you need to select these two component universal Windows platform and C++ CMake tools. This needs to be selected while installing the 2022 Visual Studio, and then you need to download the min JW installer from this website. The link is already given. You just download and install it. Then you need the Python version. It is already given in the link. Okay, so let's go to the Visual Studio Code, and then just go to that directory where you want to download the GitHub code. So in my case it is projects and then LLM folder, and then I just need to mention the command git and then clone, and then you just need to copy the clone the directory. You can get copy from this link and just paste here and just enter it. Then the repository will be downloaded to your desired location. So the repository is downloaded. So now go to that directory, Private GPT, and then just open that folder in Visual Studio. So for that, just go to file and open folder, and then just go to that directory and select that folder, so that you can go through the code. So now you can see that the code is open in the Visual Studio Code. So you can see that the multiple folders and files are there, and in that there is a source documents folder is there, where we can put our private files like Word document, CSV files, PDF files, so that we can train our model. Then we also need to copy the model which is downloaded from that Private GPT repository link. You can also download it. Almost 3.7 GB file is there, and you just download it and then place in the root directory of Private GPT repository. So I have already downloaded. I just copy to the root directory of Private GPT repository. So file is getting copied. Till the time you can also do one thing, that if you are new to our channel, then just subscribe to channel and like the video if you find this video is useful. So you can see that the model folder is created and the file is getting copied. So I am just showing you that from where you can download the model file. So this is the link where from this link you can download the model. Just as I already told that in GitHub repository you can find the link. So from here you can download the models. So now go to the view and open new terminal. Now we need to enter one command, pip space, then install, and then the /r, and then requirements.txt. So this will install all the required components to run this application. So it will take time, it will download and install all the components into the PC. So for you I am just fast forwarding this installation. Alright, so that pip installation command is completed. Now we just need to modify one file, example.env to .env, and in that .env file we will not change anything. We will go with the default setting provided by the repository, where the model path and model uh, type is already written. So we will not going to change anything, we will keep it as it is. Now just enter one command, that python space ingest.py, and then enter. So this command will load our document into the model, local document into the model. It will take time if the your document is bigger. Alright, it took more than 10 minutes to load my documents, local documents, to the model. So I omitted that part. Now we need to enter another command, python space, then PrivateGPT.py, and then enter. So this will run the application, where we can question the GPT model, and then it can answer according to our document loaded into the model. So we will ask that what is the inheritance with example. So to get the answer, it will take a lot of resources of your PC. So if your PC is well capable, it will give you result in 30 second or 20 second. If the resources are not capable enough, so it may take 3 minutes also, 3 minutes or more than 3 minutes. So now I am just fast forwarding the video so that I can get the answer quickly. So you can see that the offline chat GPT has given me the answer by reading the offline documents. So in this sentence you can see that the answer. and it is also showing me the from which document it picked. Just enter the exit to exit from the application. Thank you for watching my video.